All right. At this point in the interview process, we are down to 2 candidates, Sharon and Christopher.
Guys, we're just going to want to run through some scenarios with you guys to make sure you have what it takes to be a receptionist here at JP Morgan. Let's start with your typing skills. Please open your laptops and type out the following dictation.
The small brown cow jumped over the plow, and I was like, wow.
Okay, time's up. Let's take a look at how you guys did. Let's start with you, Sharon. Wow, very impressive.
All right, and let's see Christopher's now.
Okay, Christopher, you want to talk us through your thought process here?
Wow, we love that creativity. Good job.
Excuse me, I think we're overlooking something.
Oh,
Yes.
so real.
We are overlooking the customer. Excellent point. That's why our next exercise is in client interaction.
So imagine that I am pregnant. How are you going to make me feel safe in the bank?
And Sharon, kind of look so dead in the face, okay? And action.
I am a child.
Hi, our restrooms are down the hall to the right.
Oh, rapid feedback. That was bad, Sharon. Try not to threaten our expecting guests.
No.
Finger guns, okay?
Like, the baby in me was like, oh no! It was really threatening.
Let's hope Christopher can do a little bit better than that, which I bet he will.
Sure.
And action.
Hi.
Christopher!
That was amazing.
Very refreshing. I love the honesty in your performance, especially considering we don't offer public restrooms, especially not to pregnant people.
No. You would know that if you did any research at all, Sharon.
Excellent point, Christopher.
How is he talking shit about me? He's a chimpanzee.
Whoa. JP Morgan is an equal opportunity employer. Okay? Christopher has every right to be here today.
Yeah. Sorry, I just feel like you guys have been favoring him from the start.
Oh, no, there's no points here. I mean, if we were keeping track, it would be 2-0, but it's still anyone's job.
Yeah, let's move into our last exercise, okay? We've had some history with theft, receptionists eating food that was intended for clients, so we just want to make sure that's not going to be an issue here today.
Yeah. So, don't eat the banana. Your time starts now. Unfortunately, we cannot give you this position right now.
Wait, please. I've been in a really dark and unemployed place recently. I really need this job. Am I an idiot? Am I a big, stupid idiot? This is the 3rd job I've lost to a chimpanzee.
You're not like a big, stupid idiot. You're like what? 5'5"?
You know, it's not really our fault that we love Christopher and we just hate you.
Right, okay, well, I know when I'm not wanted, I'm not wanted,
No.
right? No, okay. Sharon, out.
Oh, gosh. Don't do that.
Yes, Christopher?